hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you all my delightful experience at Kanishka restaurant. Located in the heart of the city, this charming Indian eatery holds a special place in my heart as it was our last dining adventure before our big move to America. To top it off, we celebrated the birthday of this handsome guy, making it even more memorable. The food here was a true feast for both the palate and the eyes. Each dish here was crafted with an artistic touch that transformed every meal into a celebration. The ambience here was a perfect blend of elegance and modernity, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. With impeccable service that makes every guest feel cherished, this restaurant stands out as the perfect venue for any celebration. The attentive staff here ensures that every detail is thoughtfully attended to, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the moment. Coupled with a vibrant atmosphere and exquisite offerings, this restaurant transforms every gathering into a memorable occasion. Whether it's a milestone event or a simple get-together, this exceptional spot guarantees a truly worthwhile experience that will leave everyone smiling. If you're looking to mark a special occasion, I recommend this gem in the city. As a passionate foodie, I love exploring the global cuisines, discovering the unique flavors and traditions they bring. I love to share my culinary adventures, whether it's discovering hidden gems in local restaurants or indulging in the exquisite offerings of upscale hotels. Join me on this delicious journey by subscribing to my channel, where I'll take you along on a series of exciting food adventures that will tantalize your taste buds and inspire your next dining experience. Stay tuned and let's savor the world together. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye bye.